What's up guys, this is GC Off-Road. In today's video, I'm going to be replacing the switches in my driver's side door panel. So I come out to the property today to work on my Jeep a little bit, try to get it cleaned up, get some of the wiring that I've been working on finished up. And when I went to roll my window down, the front driver's side window switch is not working anymore. I don't know if I bumped into it or what I've done, but the button on it fell out pretty much. I wanted to put it back together, it wouldn't work. So I went over here to this Jeep behind me and I robbed the switch out of it, and I'm going to go ahead and see if I can swap this one into mine and get it working again. So to start off, what I'm going to have to do is go around the edges of this door and take out all the little screws they've got holding it together. So I just removed the screws that were holding this in, and around the edges and up in this area there's a couple of clips that pop into the frame of the door to help hold it in place. So with mine, what I gotta do is grab at the bottom and kind of pull out, and you'll hear it pop free. Then I'm gonna lift up to clear the door handle, and the panel will just slide off of it. Now down here on the inside of this panel, you see I've got the box that's got all the switches hooked to it. I've got 3 different harnesses running off. The main harness goes out and controls the other windows. This one goes up and controls the power mirror on this side. And this third harness runs over to my presets where I've got the electric seats. Alright, so I've got the new panel here. We're going to plug it in and see if it's going to work or not before we bother switching everything around. So this just plugs in. Alright, now flip this over to the driver's side. Alright, that one works. We'll try passenger side window. Okay, that works. Passenger rear works. Driver's side works. And driver's side front still not working. Something over here is not working. I'm thinking that the motor in my driver's side door is tore up. Let me mess with the harness for a minute. We'll come back and see if I can get it working. Alright, so it appears that my window motor has finally gave out on me. But fact still remains that the switch in the driver's panel does not work. None of the windows will work off this switch. And when I tested the new switch in it, the other 3 did work, and my mirror adjustment stuff worked. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch this panel out with the new one. To take this panel out, you're gonna have 5 little screws around the edges of it. They are a T20 Torx. Now once those are removed, you can just slide this out, catch the 2 if you didn't pull them out already from the back side, and there's the switch. You can see my pieces already fell out on that one where it's broken. Now to put it back in, you just line it up and it should just drop right into place, and then start putting your screws back in. Alright, now I've got that reinstalled, all the screws are in and tightened down. Take this, and I probably should have done this before I put it back together, but this line right here is just going to go up behind this. That harness runs up behind the switch and plugs in. Now that I've got that hooked back up, my presets for my seat and mirror position should work again. Alright, so now that I've got the new switches installed, I'm going to take the panel back over here, reattach the wiring harness, check see if everything works, and if it does, we'll go ahead and pop the door back into place and reinstall the screws. Go ahead and plug our harnesses back up, check everything. Alright, driver's window still not working, but that's a problem for another day. Mirrors are working, both sides. We'll try the presets. Y'all see the camera moving, my bad. Alright, so both presets are working. You probably just saw the camera move. That's because the tripod's sitting up in the seat right now and it was adjusting itself, so that works. So everything except for the driver's door window seems to be working, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. So what you're gonna do is lay this up above your door handle right here, kind of slide it down into place. You want to grab the doorknob, open it up just a little bit to where it'll lay down in here. You're gonna pop the door panel back on the lip of the frame up here, and you're gonna push everything down to where it seats properly. Then we'll start putting our screws back in. Now, I'm gonna keep looking around my local junkyards and local pull apart for another door panel that matches this one that I can replace this with, and hopefully I can find one that's in a little better condition that's not got all the mounting screws broke out of it. Alright, so I just got the panel put back in and tightened down. Everything's still working. I'm going to get online and see if I can find a motor for a decent price. And maybe before too long I can get this motor changed out. Hopefully if you got to replace faulty switch in your door, this video can help you out. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep checking back for other videos.